The late Professor Locke Montesquieu, he said that there were many codes of disease that been put very, very carefully and professionally within the virus, the coronavirus, that been created in the Wuhan laboratory. Now, we know that the DNA code of people exists although people are dead. I mean, there are matches between people that have been murdered and people that might kill them, or even many years later, and it works. So that means actually that those codes exist no matter what. I mean, the virus may die, but those disease codes, the DNA of those disease exist. Now, when late Professor Locke Montesquieu said that one of those codes were the HIV, we know that this biological weapon meant to influence society to get the AIDS. Now, we don't know what was the others. Probably, I don't know, but maybe this pig influence was also one of the codes that been coded within this virus. So a bit of a virus that been put within the vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine of all the laboratories, was dead. And that's why people thought maybe that it was safe. But the codes of the disease were not killed. No one can kill it, just like our DNA. It exists, meaning that people actually who've been vaccinated might carry it with them. And it's like nobody speak about it. Nobody even want to think about it. Nobody want us to realize that perhaps, and I'm not sure about it, it's just my logic that might be wrong, but perhaps the vaccine, so-called vaccine, is actually a biological weapon. And perhaps, and I don't know if it's true, in Wuhan laboratories, they actually coded a timetable for this disease to awaken. Perhaps. Who will look for it? Who will search for it? What is the truth? Who will look for it? This is what I like to know. Who will let us the information about the truth?